In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about using your back office so that you can actually order you're going to pay for 6 months of the X39 and X49, and you'll get 9 months because they'll bonus you 3 months. And then you go ahead and you order the 9 months of Y-Age based on the promo that expires tonight. So go to the maintenance kits under your store. And then you're going to go to this one here, LifeWave X39, X49 Maintenance Pack 3. They'll send you, it says here 6 months. And what you're going to do, and like I said, it's $749. You're going to click on that. And instead of you paying $1,000 for 9 X39s, you pay $749. So now you're going to select one, next, and you're going to add 9 instead of 6 here. Hit the enter button. See how it goes green? And then you have to add it to your cart. And then you're going to notice it's here. Now you go back to the store again, go to maintenance kits. You're going to go to X39, X49, this maintenance pack 3. You're going to select another one. And this one is for your 9 X49s. You can also hit this 9 times if that's better for you. It's just so much faster to just put 9 and then hit return, the enter button. You're going to add it to the cart. And now you have that. Now you're going to go to where it says patches. And then you're going to go to the Y-Age system. And so you'll get each one of these for $49 each. You're going to add to the cart, but before you add to the cart, you have to add the 9. So it matches the 9 months of X39 and 49 that you have. You add to the cart. It's been added to the order. And now you're going to view your cart to make sure that you have everything is accurately in your cart. So you have 9 X39, 9 X49, and then 9 of the Y-Age system. This is your total. Everything is coming directly from corporate. Okay? And now you check out and proceed as usual. Okay? I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, we have the other 2 promos that you have to do one of 3 things. Just read. It says there exactly what you need to do. Enroll someone on an advanced or a premium. Let me see. I'm going to show you that also so that you can see that and clearly explain that. We just went over this right now. And for this one, as long as you do you get a free bonus with either an advanced or premium membership that you enroll. So someone that you personally enroll, you'll get a free bonus SP6. You will have won and earned that. Or you upgrade them. Somebody who's a core, you upgrade them to advance or above. Or you order $329 or more. If you order one maintenance pack 3, and that equals obviously more than $329. So you'll get a free bonus SP6 for doing that. Anybody in your downline who does that, they will get that. Okay. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching and make it a great day. This promo here is going until tonight, as well as this. I might extend it. We'll see how it goes because there's been a lot of questions in the last 24 hours about this. Take care. Talk to you soon.